I remember a time when I was unjustly and out of nowhere replaced at a company to which I dedicated all of myself back then. It took me a long time to find myself again. And after so many years now, when I look back at that same event, I no longer feel any of those emotions. Instead, there's gratitude for the people and the event itself. Life finally starts feeling as if it's happening for me and through me, rather than it happening to me in some horrible ways. I want you to give the RS method a chance and experience real-world results, a quick and yet lasting change. Take it for a test run and see for yourself just how magical you really are, how life-transforming the knowledge alone can be, and how easy and effortlessly change can happen. I'll be your coach, I'll work with you as long as you show up for yourself and let me be your guide. I'll help you change any limiting belief that you suffer from and replace them with the ones you'd rather have. I guarantee change.
Come back, come back.